All right. So there's already two group who submitted the proposal. So it's IoT Baguio one, and then the other places or the different places. Okay. So yeah, just check them. I've just mentioned that uh approve, you may now start doing the project. Okay. And to the uh IoT Baguio 2, so please submit your proposal until today only, because the date of this, you know, uh, submission of proposal is until today only. Okay, until March 9 only. Okay. So who are the group two? Could you please raise your hand? Do we have a group two member here? Did you guys talk with each other already? Okay, so please submit your proposal until the day on. Okay. So anyway, most of you are here in Baguio, so I guess it's it's easier to collaborate than these three groups, since they are with different places. So they're actually the one who's in trouble when it comes to doing the this final project. Okay, so please submit your project until early on, your proposal project. Okay. All right. So you may now ano ba tanggalin to? I think then lower hand and then lower hand. All right, there you go. Now, once you're done with the, of course, the proposal, the next thing that you need to do is the requirements for that proposal of yours. So here is the submission page or tab. So this is where you're going to submit your file project. So the submission will be until April 8 only. So since this one is the pure ODL, so I will not be able to meet via a limited face-to-face. So I need a video, okay, instead of your physical project. So just submit here your working file project. So create a video showing that your project is complete as mentioned in the description of your project. So all of the features mentioned in your description of your project, should be there in your final project. So it should be working, showing that your project is really working as it was mentioned in your description. So whatever is that uh, uh, goal or a purpose of your project. Okay, so here are the requirements that you need to do. So first, the first one is a schematic diagram. So you can use any software that you are comfortable with to use, as long as you'll be able to show to me what is the schematic diagram of your project. Well, one thing that I can recommend is the this one. Well, you can use EagleCAD if you want, or you can use FritzSync, because that one has the breadboard layout at the same time. Okay, and then of course I need the flowchart on how does your project work. Okay, and then the breadboard layout is, which is the project itself. Okay, so you don't need to put it in actual PCB. Just use a breadboard, and then the wirings, and then the connections, connectivities. Then that's that already. Okay, just show to me that it's working completely. Okay, and then of course I need the codes. So just paste it on a notepad or a Microsoft Word, okay, together with the flowchart and then schematic diagram. And then last would be the video where proof that the project is working. Okay, so submit it in RAR format. So just compress it so that I'll be able to see it as one file only, and then I'll just extract it on my computer and then just see everything. Okay, so this is 100 points. So again, instead of you guys taking the final exam, so I will not give this one, or I will not publish this one anymore. Okay, so just submit your final project. Okay, and then I will create one more module or one more tab, so I can check your uh, progress. No, maybe on 23. So this is coming 23. So I should see at least 30% PB or 50% progress of your project. So yeah, just submit here your project progress. Submit here your progress. So you can do it. Like this. Prototype codes. What else? I guess yeah, just that. My only concern is what are the features that you are already done, or the features that you have already finished. So yeah, you submit it, or you can create it, but that one via MS Create, and then just submit it here anytime that you want, so that I know that you were able to finish at least 30% at that specific date. Okay, so this will be a 50 points. Will be until April 8th also. So yeah, I'll just put this one right here before your final project. All right, so yeah, those are the only things that I want to mention right now. So are we clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have the entire month, well, exactly a month from now, since our last day will be until April 8th only. So still like almost a month from now to finish this final project of yours. Okay. So just work together with your group mates to just do whatever you guys can, and then again just contribute, just like what I mentioned last meeting, wherein of course there's one person who's going to buy, or let's say two person who's going to buy the components, and then the other will just contribute, and then yeah, can send the payment via Gcash. So yeah, those are the ways that I can think for you guys to come, to fully contribute with each other. So okay, before we end our meeting, does anyone has a question regarding with the week 7 and 8? The due date of this laboratories will be until uh yeah, today only, March 15. So is everything clear so far?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay then. So I guess if everything is okay, or everything is clear to you, then I guess that's it. If ever that you have a question or a clarification in something else, so feel free to message me anytime, okay? So yeah, goodbye, and as always, thank you guys for coming. Again, I really appreciate it. So I'm really thankful that there's still 13 who are attending my Zoom meetings, even though you guys already know what to expect. Like we don't have discussions or whatsoever. So yeah, thank you for that. Anyway, goodbye, and let's just meet again next meeting for your meeting for the project, the progress of your project. Okay. So goodbye and have a nice day to all of
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
you. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thank you too.